I want the TV right there, she said. Well, you know me, I don't just like hang stuff up. Anyways, welcome to the channel. If I sound a bit weird, it's because I'm just getting off a cold or a flu, I don't know what it was. But this is my task, to make the wife happy. My dilemma is that it's not just a TV, you know, it's like I have a subwoofer, an electric fireplace, a Yamaha receiver, a center channel speaker, left and right speakers, and then there is the box for the TV, because the TV is a Samsung, the frame, those ones that look like a picture. So let's get the show on the road. Because my TV is 220, I'm in Argentina, power here is 220. Everything else I brought from Canada, so it's 110, including the electric fireplace, because they don't sell those ones here. This guy here, I bought this after I came from Amazon, because they don't have that here, and the subwoofer and everything is 110. So I have two sets of plugs here. They're in different breakers, and I bought a 25-watt transformer to run the stuff. So in order to leave the transformer down there, I built a bit of a base, just about ½ inch higher than the transformer, and I left it open along the back. I want air to get in here anyway, so that's gonna be step one. Now we're gonna cover that up and keep moving upwards. That part is now covered, attached to the wood, but not to the walls or the floor, because there's electrical stuff there, just in case I ever have to remove it. I will anchor moving upwards. Now I got this piece here, which is anchored there. I know it looks weird, but if I attach it to the next piece, it will be too weak for me to move it all in one piece by myself. So that's the reason why that looks sketchy. And now we add this other custom piece, which was a real pain in the butt to build, because every single piece is different than the other for different reasons. And speakers are gonna go there, fireplace there. So I skip right to the end, not to have you guessing. I mean, they're really boxes, one on top of the other, but this is what it looks like. TV is up, put the shelves over there. Some of my creations that I brought from Canada. And I still don't know the subwoofer is gonna stay there. I think I'm gonna make an end table here and have the subwoofer actually built in underneath of it. But that's it. It's been a long time since I do stuff. I put videos, but I'll leave you with those two peaceful souls here, and I thank you for being back on my channel. I'll chat with you soon. Ciao, ciao.